Okay, Roxanne seems to have hooked into, I think, the biggest one for the day. This one's an absolute monster. She's been fighting it for about 5 minutes already.
I just saw its teeth.
And yeah, we'll take a close-up of the teeth. And this is a big boy, a big male. This is a monster one. I think it's the biggest that I've seen so far this morning. Wow, look at that. Just look at that. Nice. Nice. That's the kind of thing that can bite your hand off if you get your fingers too close to its mouth. Hi, I lost fingers to the chum. And its color looks alright, eh? Maybe that's a keeper. We're here at the Stave River, as I said earlier, and there's a whole ton of seagulls down there. But anyway, Roxanne is still finding this fish. I think arm's starting to feel a little bit of pressure. That's like, it must be, I'm reckoning 4 kilos, 5 kilos. That's big. That's a big fish. That's a huge fish. Hey, hey. Look at this thing. Holy crap. Oh my word. You know what? Let me come around this side. That is a fighter. Okay, you going to bring it in now, or are we going to sit down faff? Wow, wow, wow. Yes. Come on. You almost had it. That is a big fish. Once you've got it around the tail, just put the rod down. Pick it up and let's have a look. Check out those monster teeth. It's like a dragon. The dragon chum. Come on. Come on. Wow. Okay, put the rod down. Yeah. Holy guacamole. Look at the size of this thing.
It's gonna.
Wow. Twist it more towards the camera.
Okay.
Wow.